The stones were dated to more than 12,000 years ago, but they weren't the strangest thing found at the site. Not even close. The team discovered advanced star maps and the remains of unusual humanoids. The beings were small, with thin bodies and large heads.
Aliens!
Well, it took more than 20 years of trying, but the markings on the discs were finally translated. The discs told the story of a vessel that traveled to Earth from outer space. The inscriptions described a crash in the mountains of Tibet and what happened to the survivors of the crash.
I knew it!
The writing also gave the beings a name. They were called the Dropa.
The Dropa came down from the clouds in their aircraft. Our men, women, and children hid in the caves 10 times before sunrise. When at last we understood the sign language of the Dropa, we realized that the newcomers had peaceful intentions.
These findings were published in 1962 by Professor Sum Nui, but as could be expected, his peers didn't take it seriously. The story and the stones resurfaced 6 years later, but this time in Russia. Scientists discovered the granite used to make the stones contained extremely high amounts of cobalt and other heavy metals. These properties would have made the stones very hard to carve with primitive tools 12,000 years ago. The stones were tested with an oscillograph, a device used to read current and voltage,